Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about eggs. How healthy are they? There's a lot of myths and prejudice regarding eggs and if they're healthy or not. Even some physicians tell their patients not to consume eggs because eggs might be associated with cardiovascular diseases and like high serum cholesterol. I recently read a study by the American Heart Association that did a study on about 30,000 people. They consumed like 300 milligram per day of like eggs, and the summary of the study was like if you consume 300 milligram per day of eggs, it is associated with additional serum cholesterol, it is associated with heart disease and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease by like 17%. And this is like really scary, but I have a problem with this study and I do not agree with it due to some of these reasons. The first reason being the entire data that was collected for this study was collected in a single visit from the patient who had come in. It was collected through questionnaires that had questions to me it seemed very stupid, those questions. I'll read you a question. The question from the questionnaire that did this study was, over the past 12 months, how often in your lunch did you consume deli-style ham or light, low-fat or fat-free meat over the last 12 months? How many of you remember over the last 12 months what did you consume? I don't. So the basis of this questionnaire is a little shady to me. Another thing is, there was nothing in the questionnaire regarding the pattern of diet that these people followed over the period of 12 months. They could be consuming other things, like they could have different lifestyle choices and things they're consuming, which was not asked in the questionnaire and might affect the study. So it was not very clear, and it was a single short trial. It was done in one take, and like the chances of error in a study like this would be really, really high. So I don't agree with this study. I think eggs are super healthy, and I'll tell you why they are and why I'm saying that eggs are super healthy. Let's tell you a fact about the human body. The human body makes 3,000 milligrams of cholesterol per day. Your liver every day makes 3,000 milligrams of cholesterol. That is almost equivalent to 14 eggs. 14 eggs. And this study, according to this study, 300 milligrams per day can kill you. Your body is anyway producing 3,000 milligrams per day. I don't think 300 milligrams of eggs every day can kill you. So this correlation between eggs, serum cholesterol and coronary heart disease is what we are interested in. And there is a lot of data and studies in favor of what I am saying. And I've attached the links to the studies that say that eggs are healthy for you in the description below. One of these studies actually says egg intake within a certain range in different populations were unrelated to blood cholesterol levels or coronary heart disease. Two other studies actually found out that dietary cholesterol from egg increases plasma HDL and the ratio between HDL to the total cholesterol. HDL is high density lipoproteins. This is the healthy cholesterol that helps you function better. Whenever a physician says that this person has high cholesterol, what they actually mean is they have high levels of LDL and VLDLs. LDLs are low density lipoproteins and VLDLs are very low density lipoproteins. HDLs are high density lipoproteins. Someone who is suffering from high cholesterol has very low HDLs. So you want to increase your HDL levels and decrease your VLDL and LDL levels. As I keep insisting, eggs are super healthy. Eggs actually are a very good source of something called choline. And choline helps you fight fatty liver. It is protective against fatty liver disease. As I said, eggs are super healthy. And I myself consume 2 eggs almost every day in my diet. And my cholesterol levels are absolutely fine. My arteries are clear from any sort of plaquing or calcium deposits. Now, these studies that say that eggs are not healthy and they might cause heart disease, there are so many variables that they don't take into account, and like it's not possible even to take into account. These studies could very easily prove like mushrooms. These studies could easily prove like mushrooms are in some way related to your heart and they cause heart diseases. So these studies, I don't think they hold much validity. Now you'd be thinking, why are these studies targeting eggs? That is very important, and I would like to explain that to you. Keto diet these days are becoming very popular, and in my opinion too, keto diet is really healthy for you, and I'm going to make a video on that really soon. Eggs being healthy kind of go against these companies that try to sell you refined carbs and this expensive processed foods with the brand as healthy. Eggs being super healthy themselves goes against it, and these companies don't want you to have them. I pretty much can assure you that eggs are very healthy. So eggs have a nearly perfect nutrition profile. They contain all the vitamins and minerals. They are high in protein. They contain all the healthy fats. They are very keto friendly. So eggs are very healthy for you, and you can safely consume 2 to 4 eggs every day, and that will make you much healthier. Stay happy, stay healthy.